एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट करनी है बहुत सीरियसली मैटर पे। आई एम नॉट मेंशन अ पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज बट whenever I study in my college, it is a college, but this is my internal gut said that I'm in a school but it is a college. All the type of behavior by the teachers and what are the students inside, I just carefully all the students alert that this is a special video. Recently I just take a shower and took a meditation, night meditation, inhale and exhale and Brahmari. When there is someone coming in our college, I didn't mention, I didn't reveal his or her name, and my particular teacher, I also not mention her name, attend that type of a 7 day class. This is called communications class. Improve your communication. This is basically. I know my strength. I know my gut feelings. I know my confidence, and I know my practice and hard work. But the main thing is that at the end of the classes, my particular teacher who attended and who started this workshop, credit goes to that a particular student who always with the her, because she's hashtag. I don't know. I'm not insulted her, but sometime I feel that this is a in judgment with me and some other students sitting in front and close to that particular professor or sir coming who attending that type of workshop also attend got a certificates from him, because it is an important certificate. And also it is not as matter of certificate, it is a recognition, it is a confidence, it is a way of talking, and it is a just like open our nervousness when you go to the stage, because this opportunity does not come again and again in your life, especially when you are in a college, and especially when you are in a girls college. You know that every girl has a inner jealousy and insecurity from other girl. She pretend to like that we are friends, but that it's not okay. In a covid, I know that some time of bad behavior due to the this age problem. I didn't clarify you are understand, you are intelligent, this age problem everybody we face. This has a, but sometime in the covid college, due to that type of friendship, no teacher no professor would interested to talk with as type of friends, because they're not a take a time, because time everybody has a time to pretending in the college. Everybody is showing fake, everybody is pretending. Sorry, I'm not insulted, but I reading his or her face sometime my gut feeling say, and this is correct, but I ignore my gut feeling that she or someone, teacher, student, whenever who working in a proper teamwork, I know that her expression is said to me and towards me is exactly same what I feel sometime. So come back to my college. This is a girls college. I recommend not to take some time off, because when you are in a girls college, first of all, some girls are so much talented, so they are show fakeness first. Second, some girls are very decent, sometimes they are introverts, so this type of feelings you have to be face, because of your looking, because of your present and not present, and not take participation and not talking in front of other. This is your big mistake. If you have an opportunity, you should participate. This is the main and important point, because in the college nobody is greet you. So you, Priyanka, would you like to join us? No, nobody have care your especially feelings, emotional feeling. I know my college is based in the working ethics, but they have no emotional touch with each other. Sometimes I feel and I cry at my home and talk to with my parents. Today I face this, today I face this, but nobody there's no. But in my college, I what I face financial problem. I face teachers. Some time of little bit of humiliation. Third, pretendingness, fakeness. Fifth is that they have not stand, they have not commitment. Sorry, I'm not insulted, I'm not saying any wrong words for my college, but yeah, I face, when I face mental problem, uh, this is my karma who uh, make me and feel me that type of thoughts for particular reason. But this will be shown in my work, and everybody who has seen me, my face, my dress ups, as my thoughts, my words, everyone catch, everyone take a decision. Whatever they are feel for me, whatever they judge for me, everybody is decide from my behavior, tongue, sweet phrases, everybody, no matter. In outside there are nobody to help you, they are nobody interested in what you are feeling, what you are, even they are interested not in your, that you are, how you are, okay. Everybody said that are you okay, but they are just talking about fakeness. They are not, they are showing, giving a formality. Even ऐसा ना हो जाए कि कोई मुझे कह ना दे कि तूने मुझे पूछा नहीं है, मेन इज पॉइंट इज दैट there or every in my college everybody is a fake. I give 100% guarantee. But now this India is a fake, whole country is a fake. This is my genuine uh, talk. I just eating dinner, and I have lot of talk again come because I take a meditation. That's why past thoughts come in my mind. And yeah, sometimes main important thing that if you have an opportunity to make video or vlogs, you should make vlogs. Not make vlogs and waste time on this type of reels or whatever. You should make vlogs whenever you have a opportunity. But there is sometimes injustice with this. I had an opportunity, I forgot this, I didn't take a stand because everybody in my, especially teachers, I'm not mention the students, especially teachers. Sometimes I feel teachers pretending what they are not, but they are also pretending. They have a lots of inner talk for me in the form of anger, in the form of humiliation, because I have sometimes a financial problem. uh, Whenever I just talk and ask my problem to teacher, I have a problem, nobody is listen to you. She's only say two words, I am very busy, I am very busy, I am sorry, I am sorry my teachers, I'm not insulting her, but I feel at that time I am not able to talk and I'm not in a condition to talk. But now I have opened my eyes. I don't know, I do not go to the college, and same type of behavior that we main point is behavior and environment. Students and my dear friends, the college environment is very very different from our homes. In our home, we are in a condition to take a decision and mentally present. But in a college, I feel that nobody is with me, because sometimes it is necessary to have a friend. Even in a single friend, it is must. If you are not friends, it's okay, but you should give your best in your work and take participation. Because if you do not take participation, you don't know that what is the next process you have to be completed. Because in the college the time is not stop, especially time, and nobody teacher is asking to talk you that you should come and join us, no. Because sometime a teacher do not understand and that what type of student he is. Your face tells about that. आपका चेहरा बता देता है आप इस तरह के हो, या फिर घर में कुछ हुआ होता है कि आपका फेस वैसा, एक्सप्रेशन वैसा हो जाता है कई बार। उस समय अपॉर्चुनिटी आती आती हमारे पास से चली जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ योर फेस एक्सप्रेशन, योर मूड। तो समटाइम आपका पार्टिसिपेट करना क्लास के अंदर बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। टाइम को वेस्ट करना, टाइम को वेस्ट मत करिएगा कॉलेज टाइम में। टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। आई नो समटाइम यू फील ओवर थिंकिंग वट एवर यू आर फीलिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ नेगेटिव इमोशंस, आई नो। But I daily watch my teacher and observe that how she manage, because they have a lot of opportunities, they have a lot of responsibility. They manage their own house and they also teach us how they will get it, how will they get managed, but we are not. So we have not as same responsibility as, this is the main positive point from the teacher, I should take that. But negative point is that why should they pretend, why should they fake? Because I know that you are not the type of that person, why should you talk, why should you show to me? This would I recommend that. So in the college, if you have an opportunity to make vlogs, please make vlogs of opportunities where they have not proper judgment, and you feel that this is doing with me. uh, for example, if you watch a crime, I just not go to that forward. For example, if you just watch a crime, can you imagine that what type of condition you have to feel, what type of situation, how to get rid of same time of every single day, every girl facing a crime in the form of everything, in the form of judgment, in the form of confidence, in the form of behavior, in the form of physical sense. This is a small type of crimes, starting crimes. So girls, you should take stand for yourself. Nobody is with you. This is a very important time. You have an opportunity, you have a mobile phone. I just continuously so many, whenever I was so much upset with my study, I do not go gain marks, I just mention is that I just continuously scrolling of social media and take a serious on my heart. I didn't had a good stomach, good mental clarity, but now I regret myself and my parents. Sorry my parents, why should I waste a lot of time? My parents talk to me, you should focus on your study, everything is okay, everything, but I didn't believe in himself. I always believe my college. I have seen that what type of environment, especially second in what type of teacher, third is what type of the student in, you know I have if I have an opportunity to change, what should I change? I change especially the education system, because education system is very important in our day. I know that making the YouTube videos showing the what type of system criteria, but internally does not shown. I know that internally I don't know what was exactly showing, is क्या करना चाहिए क्या ये मुझे नहीं पता अभी, बट मैं क्या चेंज करना चाहूँगी एजुकेशन सिस्टम को, वहाँ का बिहेवियर, वहाँ का टीचर का बिहेवियर स्टूडेंट्स के प्रति क्या होना चाहिए, मैं ये चेंज कर